is your First Alert 5 weather with Mike Daniels.
Plenty of sunshine in Colorado Springs right now. That's a live look from mountain shadows. And in the Pueblo area, started with low clouds and fog, then sunshine. And live from Woodland Park, still mostly sunny skies up there. Your weekend is going to start out really cold tomorrow. Winds will be blowing out of the northwest, making it feel even colder than 35. Best day of your weekend Sunday with mostly sunny skies. In Pueblo, real cold tomorrow. 42 doesn't sound bad until you factor in that wind blowing out of the northwest with gusts up to 30 and 35 miles per hour. So your get outdoors day this weekend is going to be on Sunday. All right, here's what's going to happen tonight. Tracking a weak storm system that will roll across the Rockies. 7:30, we are still dry all across the News 5 viewing area. By about 9:30, 10 o'clock, we'll start to see a few light snow flurries develop across parts of the viewing area. Then late tonight, by about midnight tonight, snow across Teller County, moving into El Paso County. By 1 o'clock, we've got snow flying in Colorado Springs. A few flurries in Pueblo. That sticks around between 2 and 3 in the morning. And then as that energy pushes east, takes the snow with it. We'll be dry before sunrise tomorrow morning. Sunshine tomorrow morning, but it will be cold. I know there's a big soccer tournament going on in Pueblo tomorrow. Bundle those kids up. It's really going to be cold with that wind blowing. During the afternoon, we'll have sunny skies, but continued windy. And the snow not going to amount to much, a half an inch to maybe an inch across parts of El Paso County into Teller County. In the Pueblo area, if you get a dusting of snow, that will be it. Same for eastern Fremont County, Canyon City, Penrose, and Florence. Here's your next weather maker. That storm system pushes off to the east tomorrow. There's that northwest flow coming down. We'll see bright conditions around here, but you better believe brisk and maybe even cold is a better word to use tomorrow. The other word we've got on the map is windy with those gusts up to 30 and 35 miles per hour out of the northwest. Here's a look at that wind tomorrow morning already as you walk out the door. These are sustained wind speeds with higher gusts by late morning into the afternoon. This is noon tomorrow. Wind in the west in Pueblo at 25 miles per hour. Keep in mind when you see these numbers, gusts will be higher than that. The wind finally starting to die off by sunset tomorrow evening. Outside right now, we've got 30s and 40s across the News 5 viewing area. Low temperatures tonight dropping to 14 in the Springs, 15 degrees in Pueblo. Afternoon high temperatures tomorrow colder than what we had today in many cases. In the Springs, we were in the upper 30s today. Tomorrow only 35, but you better believe it's going to feel a lot colder than that with that wind blowing. In Colorado Springs, warming up to 43 on Sunday. You see that 1 under Saturday's column. That's our storm impact scale, giving that a 1 because I think we'll have some slick roads across parts of Colorado Springs and El Paso County very early tomorrow morning. So if you're out early, factor that in. Monday and Tuesday, it warms up nicely. Little setback on Wednesday. The storm not impressive at this point, but we could see a couple of flurries to go along with some colder air. And in Pueblo, Sunday, definitely the best day of your weekend. And of course, as everyone heads back to work and school on Monday, it gets warmer. 58 degrees on Tuesday, mostly sunny skies. Little setback Wednesday into Thursday. I think you'll be dry all of next week across the Pueblo area. Canyon City, windy and cold tomorrow, warmer on Sunday with sunshine. If you see any snow at all, it'll come real late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Then maybe a couple of snowflakes by next Wednesday, but that's a long shot at this point. For Woodland Park, up to an inch of snow possible tonight and tomorrow morning. So a 1 on the impact scale. If you're out early, you could encounter some slick roads and a slight chance of seeing another storm with snow by next Wednesday.